different angle. Right, we're going to look how we can print this PDF here on the desktop. We're going to look how we can print this Microsoft Word here on the desktop. Alright, so we're going to look how we can actually print from this email this particular document. Right, so let me start from the email since I'm right here. Alright, so I'm going to print this document here. I'm going to click on it. So when I click on it here, notice the print up here, but don't click on this one, because this one won't give you exactly what you want. So I'm going to click right there. So this is a bring up the document, right? And if you notice right here, show that I can actually open up the document in DocHub, Google Doc, and all of that. Right here, you can save the document to Google Drive. You can download it at the option, but I want to pay attention to this word here, print. So when I click on the word print, right there, bring up this particular screen. If you notice to the left, it gives me a display screen. So I'm going to come right here and click on the print. So while I click on the print, you notice over here, this is the display. Here you can actually put it in a full page. I can use this to increase and this to decrease. Alright, if you notice over here, the destination, you have to come right here. So to search for the printer, alright, I want to click. If you don't see the printer, you come right here and say more and search for the printer and click on it. Then if you want it in colored, that is if you want the black and white, you can come right here and get it just the same. And then you have more settings down here, in which you can actually change the paper size and all that. When you finish, what you can definitely do as soon as you finish, you can come right here and press print. Right? So very important. So you have seen from one particular angle, or you can do from the email. Now we're going to be looking at how we can print the PDF from front desktop. So this is set with the PDF. So I'm going to right click on the PDF. I'm going to click Word Open. Alright, so we're going to try and print that particular PDF. But how we're going to be doing that. Alright, as soon as it opens, I will show you exactly how that one will work. Because some of you might want to print it but just don't know how to do it from that angle. Alright, so you can see the page actually processing here. Right, so we're just giving it a few minutes. Right here, so we're going to come right up at this liquid triangular box here and click to expand it. Alright, if you notice right here now, go to wanted to print it, so we're going to come all the way to the right. This is set for the printing icon, so we're going to click on the printing icon. So as soon as the printing icon, it will take you to a different screen, right? And to the screen that you will actually take you to this particular screen. So you can come right here and select the name of the printer. Right, if it's not there, you can increase the number of copies here by using this little arrow here. You can even come right here and actually change it to black and white or color. And when you finish, you can actually press the word print here, and that's exactly how you actually do that. Right, so now since we look at two sections, now we're going to look at how you print the Microsoft. Alright, so we're going to right click on that and we're going to open it. So when you open it now, what we're going to be doing now, we're going to try and print this particular one. Alright, and when you're printing the Microsoft one, now you can actually press Ctrl and P, and that will take you directly to the print screen. Alright, but if you notice, printing kind of slightly different throughout the three of them. Right, so this is where I'm going to expand it now by coming right here. Right, expand it. So in order for you to print this particular document, you're going to go to the left where the word file and click on the word file. When I click on the word file, bring up this small window inside this blue streak here. So we're going to click on the word print. When you click on the word print, right, there you go. Now it show you the number of copy. Here you can come right here and actually change. I get the name of the printer like I showed in the previous. Right, you can come right here. About 20 pages or whatever, you select the amount of page you want right in here. You can also change the letter size right here. If you want to print it from back and front, you can actually click right here and to show you that. Right, and let me scroll up some more here. You can scroll up so that you can actually see. We'll go back to the print again. You can actually see this section. Right, let me bring up document over here. Alright, so definitely when you look at the amount of sheet you want to print, when notice up here, you're going to click up here and print. The rest, the other two actually show that you can click at the bottom to print, but this one, so you can actually print from the top. Right, so very important. And that's exactly